Okay, again, we need a separate file, so we go File, New, for our circle piece. Again, we're going to do the same steps: camera, standard views, front view, blue line and red line. Again, we're going to put in that box that we're going to draw our shape in. So we start from the origin, we're going to drag it out, we're going to type in 100 by 100, press enter. Again, we're going to make it nice and big so it fills up the screen. This time, we're going to put on some measurements to make sure that we draw things in the correct place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tape measure tool. So I'm going to use the tape measure tool, and I'm going to click on the left-hand column, and I'm going to pull out a dotted line. Now this is going to be my center line. Now actually it should snap to the halfway point. So if I click, I can put down the line, and I've got an exact center line in the middle of my square. So the square is 100 by 100, and that distance from here to here is going to be 50, because that's half of 100. Okay, now if you can remember the instructions that are on your developed idea page, you remember that it says when we draw the circle, we put it 50 millimeters along the x-axis, but then we need to put it how many millimeters up the y-axis? 40. Okay, for now I'm going to put it anywhere, but then I'm going to type in 40, enter, and it automatically moves to the correct place. That gives me the center point for my circle now. So that means I can go to the center, to the circle tool, click on the center, and then I can click on that right edge. Now some students are going to move the circle all kinds of places. Some people are going to put it on the top, and you can see that's too big, or they go to a corner, which is way too big, or they go to the bottom corner, again too big, or they go to the bottom, which is too small. The place that we want to go is that right edge where the dotted line meets the side. If we put that down and zoom out, hopefully you can see where our circle is. Again, we can use the eraser tool, trim off the bottom line, trim off the outside lines, and then we end up with the circle that we need. Go to the 3D view, use the push-pull tool, pull it out, change it to 9, file, save as, and we're going to call it circle piece. Okay, you've got some questions?